Hello guys, today a new project. I have tried many times to dust off this old PRC1000 from ICOM, and this ESP32 was the last one, and I think it turned out very well. I will put a link on the description so you get the code and all the instructions to make this happen. So this is it. I arranged this way to power the device itself by placing a buck converter inside. So I take the 12 volts directly from this connector, and then I have placed this other power cord to be inserted into the ICOM this way. So I only have like this piece to insert it. Now we connect the DB9, and this is very important. You turn on this before this, and this way in my scenario they are going to be powered up at the same time, but just in case you power your device from the USB, the ICOM has to be powered first. So this is the squelch, volume, and then you can choose the modes, you can choose the filter, you get the feedback here, but it depends on the mode. So basically if you press on the knob, you change the band, the steps. So you have noise blanker, AGC, attenuation, and if you have the module, the noise filter module that I don't have in this unit, you can use it. You can also change the steps here. Let's try the airband. I have another ICOM PRC1000 that I am using to share my antenna on global tuners. I will put the link on the description, and you can see what we can get to hear here from in Barcelona. Well, this was it. I hope you liked it, and if you have any suggestion, please contact me on GitHub. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.